So we ordered.
Masa na?
Ba.
This.
This is pasalubong. Share with Jaya. Say hi to vlog. Say hi to vlog.
Hello. What's this?
It's a cream cake. Let's eat outside. Are you excited?
So now.
No. Are you so excited? Guys, vlog.
Love you.
So hi guys, we're
Welcome.
going to.
We're going to
There's
sumo.
Mom is looking for you.
Explosion.
Yeah. So you need to change your sleeper. Guys, mag-date sa aming tulo. So, naramay baby guys. Hi Ana. Say hi to vlog. Gupakainin mo lang. Ala. Ala, pagkagwapo na lang gud. Oh, tanawa. So karon na si Sunday, so mag-date sa amin. Our baby is so cute. You're so cute, so cool baby.
I drive.
Keep drunking. Whoa, you're so kind.
Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. Today we're going to
Restaurant.
restaurant. It's pretty.
Sakay.
We
We're
go
talk-
somewhere else.
With who?
Ate Mami. Ooh,
Are you
wait.
excited?
Excited, bro. Mira.
What can you share about the viewers?
Ooh,
What are you wearing right now?
flowers.
Sunflower.
Mickey shirt. Viewers. We're going to a restaurant.
Pindot niya ang kon. Yung boo.
Sushi, sushi, mom.
Ganun sa sushi.
This is mine.
This is mine. Kubono na ka?
Sushi.
Namoy ko ano lang kana Philadelphia roll 8 pieces. Tapos tonkotsu ramen. Pan lang og ready na to serve kay ako video at kamera. You want baby brother? Huh? Wants baby brother, guys.
Yana. Welcome to my vlog. Today we have to go in this place. It's so cool. It's the best. They have so many of them. We have couches and pillows and sushi. What can I do too, please?
The water.
Can I do it, please? Look at this. Look at it explode when you put it in the water. It's the best ever seen. This is the best. This is also the awards. The awards. So many awards. Look at this one.
So we ordered guys with Philadelphia sushi, ramen, tonkotsu, and matcha ice cream. Favorite. So let's eat. Huh? Be careful, be careful.
Usa na.
Kami?
Let's go, guys. They do.
Thanks.
That's it. Wala, that's it. Hello guys, let's eat.
Problem ang ubos ka din. Try. Mag-enjoy.
Alright guys, we're done.
We're done, boys and girls. You like my video? Right here in
Say bye, dali.
Bye guys.
Bye everyone.
Bye.
Hey, bye. Bye, thank you.